Hi everybody and welcome to this video. In this video we have a look at the cos graph. The cos graph is given by the equation y is equal to x minus p plus q, and the q parameter over here is what controls the vertical shift. So a positive q value shifts it up and a negative q value shifts it down. This can be demonstrated in the graph over here. The white graph is our unshifted, unchanged cos graph with equation g of x is equal to cos x. The domain of this graph is, the range of this graph is y as an element from -1 to 1. Those are the y values that the graph takes. The period of the graph is also 360 degrees. Now let us look at the blue graph, which has f of x is equal to cos x plus 2. In this graph over here, we have that the q value is 2. So this graph has been shifted 2 units up. So what you'll notice between the white graph and the blue graph is that every point has been shifted 2 units up. The range is no longer -1 to 1. The range is now y is an element from 0 to 2, and our period is still 360 degrees. The x-intercepts and the y-intercepts have changed. For the next case, we have h of x is equal to cos x minus a half, and the q value is minus a half. So each point on the graph has been shifted a half a unit down. So the range for this graph is also changed. Its y is an element from -1.5, -3/2 to a half. Let us have a look at some examples. So over here we have different equations and we have to state the range. So in the first case we have cos x plus 2. So this graph has been shifted 2 units up. The range has also been shifted 2 units up. So it will be y is an element from 0 to 2. In general, the range of a shifted graph, if it's only been shifted up, will be our -1 plus q and our 1 plus q. So in the second case, our q is -3, so everything has been shifted 3 units down. So our range is y is an element of -1 minus 3, which is -4, and 1 minus 3, which is -2. In the last case, our q value is a third, and our range is y is an element of -2/3 to 4/3. So 1 1/3. Please make sure that you've understood this video and the whole series on the cos graph. If you have not, please rewatch the video and watch the rest of the videos on the trig graphs.